How to Write an Imaginative Narrative for Kids, Episode 5, Events. In the last episode, I wrote an introduction for my fantasy story. Now I'm ready to write about the events. First, look back at your plan. I already included the first event in my introduction. Now I can't just say a pole got struck by lightning and fell into a car. Super Megan helped lift the pole off the car. No, I have to stretch out the problem because it should be the most exciting part. So let's see. Super Megan was flying as fast as she could, dodging trees, poles, and buildings, and suddenly she heard a big crash nearby. She wondered if she should stop and see what happened or just keep flying to get out of the storm. What if someone is hurt, she thought. She turned around and started flying up and down side streets. Finally, she noticed a crowd of people surrounding a car. She flew closer and saw that a light pole had been struck by lightning and had fallen onto a car with a man trapped inside. Did you notice that I didn't just tell the problem right away? I stretched it out to make it more suspenseful. Now I need to describe how the problem gets solved. But do you think it would be interesting if I just said, she flew over, lifted the pole off the car, the end? No, you should stretch out this part too. Here we go. Help! Screamed the man. Super Megan turned on her super strength powers. She tried to lift the pole, but it was so slippery from all of the rain still pouring down. She turned around to the others and yelled, "Everyone, grab on!" Together, they lifted the pole and pulled the man from the car. There we go. I've written the important events of the story, but I'm not quite finished yet. Are you ready to finish your imaginative narrative? Check out the next episode to see how I end my story with a closing.